Hello, Linda here. I'm popping in for a very quick video to follow up yesterday's video unboxing of this Filofax Denim Dots Pocket Organizer. I just wanted to share what I've done so far and see if I could perhaps get some input and ideas on how to proceed, because this happens quite often where we're very excited about something and we dive right in, but then when we're in the thick of it, partway through, it's just sort of like the ugly, I don't know what I'm doing stage, and that's where I am. I really just started out by printing a bunch of childhood sort of memory things, the toys, the TV shows, screenshots, and things like that. And I laminated them with this bright neon orange backing paper because I don't know, I somehow thought that was matching for this project, but right now it does seem a bit, I don't know, too much like in your face maybe. But I hope it will still work out once I add more like neutrals and like journaling spots and other elements in that will sort of even out the neon maybe. Um, and as you can see, I did punch like some of these already and included them in the ring binder, but I have not for the rest of them because I realized the special shaped images are not really great for punching, and maybe instead I should create pockets or just think of another way to incorporate them. So really I just have a bunch of printouts, and in the end I also collected up some stationery memo sheets that I wanted to include because I definitely spent all my allowance on the Sanrio store back in high school. But I don't know, I just have this feeling like it should be a certain vibe or style in my head, but at the same time, I'm like not knowing how to get it to happen in front of me. So I will definitely have to revisit this and keep at it and just see what happens over time. But I would appreciate your feedback, and if you have any suggestions or comments or maybe ideas on what I should look at that might help. So this is where I'm at, and I just wanted to share. So I hope you enjoyed taking a peek at this mess of things and where this project is going. It's obviously a work in progress, like ongoing all the time. So thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you supporting me here. Thank you again. Until next time, bye.